Okay, so we are doing number 11, orange, number 3, green, and number 7, purple or violet. I already finished number 11 before I turn on the recorder. I forgot to turn it on. And as I was saying earlier, we're working on our craftsmanship. So we want it to be as precise as possible. I always like to color in the outline so that I don't get crazy and color outside of the lines. And I'm always rotating my paper to make it easier for myself. Ah. It could be a darker green, no lighter than this, that's for sure. I just don't have that color handy. Oh my goodness, my color pencil broke. Uh-oh. The color pencil broke again. Don't you just love that? Ah! Can't get a color pencil sharpener that works. It should work. I'll be right back, guys. Oh. No, email and let her know you're not doing it again. Too bad the slideshow's right here. I was making it too long, I think, and that's why it was breaking. Somebody's microphone is on. My clot. Juliana, let me know when you're done with the orange and the green. I just want to know how fast the pace is going. And then Robert, could you also tell me?
Yeah, I just finished the orange and red.
Oh, very good. Okay, so we got some time. While you guys are doing that, I'm gonna shoot over a little email real quick.
Did you call my name, Miss Brown?
Yeah, I was saying when you're done with orange and green, just let me know.
Okay.
Yeah, I just want to know the pace, and my poll doesn't work, so I need you guys to communicate and help me out.
Okay, I'll let you know.
Oh, you didn't tell me this went out again. Ha! Square, another change, blah, 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 blah. Okay, if it goes out, just let me know. MJ, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I just have to switch devices.
No problem. How are you doing? Are you done with orange and green?
Yes, I am.
Oh, you are? Okay. So you working on number 7?
Yes.
Right.
I'm looking for the violet one.
Yeah.
I have the bigger packs of colored pencils, so I don't know which
Oh,
one.
lucky you. Yeah, we're basically doing all the colors of the rainbow. I, for some reason, can't decipher between purple and blue. When I look at them side by side, they look so similar. So I don't trust them because what if they're both purple? I don't want to commit to this one. So I'm going to get a piece of scratch paper. And I'm going to just check it on the side there to make sure it's the color I want. Oh, yes, this is definitely violet. So I recommend that you guys do the same. And then after this, we're going to be mixing colors by blending them. So I don't want you to jump ahead. These ones are very straightforward. We're just coloring them in solid. And then we're going to be layering. So we're going fairly dark with this. Nice and clean. I did a huge color wheel. I'm starting to wish I did a smaller one. Hopefully you guys are doing a smaller one. And you get carpal tunnel from coloring all this. And if you didn't have color pencils, crayons work as well. You know, just doing your best. And remember, I had all these supplies at the front office for you. Borrow them from a neighbor, an auntie, a cousin, steal them from your little brother or sister. Ta-da! Is this blue? Blue. So I would say that's these two and this. I want to take a picture like this, but how can I do that? I'm just one person. Oh no. Let's see. This brown's inventive. Can I make magic happen? I don't know. Shift Command 4. Oh, so smart. All right, that's as best as I can do it. That makes sense? I think so. All right. I'll go ahead and put that picture on the slideshow. Gotcha, Miguel. Actually, I think the poll does work here. If you guys could just go ahead and tell me when you are completed, give me a yes. There's 2 of you that have already done that. Oh, look at that jump up. Great. 10 out of 33, 14. Fantastic. So we're just going to wait a little longer. I don't want to go too fast. Do, do, do. 16. Great. Okay, things are going to get a little trickier with the next one. I see that we have we have about 16 people that are not done. How are you doing, Robert? Are you ready for the next step? Robert.
Yeah, sorry, Miss Brown. I was playing music.
Are you ready for the next step? Am I going too slow, too fast?
No, I'm ready now.
Oh, you're ready now. Okay. So, what we're going to need is yellow. We're also going to need the green. These two colors. So get those out, get them sharpened. I know that takes some time. I'm going to sharpen my green. We are going to overlap these two colors. Let me see if I can show you on this example. And you're going to watch me do it first because you don't want to do it wrong. Let me give this some focus. Okay, I'm going to take a screenshot of this. We're going to make yellow green, and we're going to make it by mixing the two colors, okay? So try to think of a witty way to share this. I think I can do it this way. Let's see here. Da-da-da. So number 2 is yellow green. Now I'm gonna get so hard to manage this stuff. Yeah, I got you, Ryan. Okay, here we go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the yellow and we're gonna lightly, not dark, lightly graze the paper. I'm gonna try to outline it lightly because we're gonna mix green with it. And if we go really heavy with the yellow, it's gonna be really hard to put the green in. So I'm just lightly grazing the paper. So it's a lot less pressure on the paper with this, okay? And then I'm gonna lightly just barely graze the green. It's not amazing, but it's gonna make a yellow green. This is our first vocabulary word for tertiary colors. And we're gonna review all this for the little test that we're gonna be taking, so don't worry. And we'll be labeling it. So this is yellow, green. I don't know why it keeps timing out like that. Excuse me, guys. The screen resolution has changed. Huh. There we go. I'm going to label this because I can. Yellow, green. So that's the combination of the two colors. I didn't realize that I lost Wi-Fi. Can you guys hear me now? So I've overlapped yellow and green lightly right here. And then I labeled it yellow green for number 2. They can't see? Oh, thank you, sweetheart. When did that die out? Can they see it now? Okay. Yeah, thank you for letting me know. So does everybody see? Yeah, you guys got to tell me it's not working because I'm not aware of it.
Miss Bro,
Yeah,
and you just froze.
I did. Do you know that you're supposed to be making yellow green right now? Hello? Hello? You guys hear me now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, we're good.
At least you can see it on the slideshow. Are you guys done with yellow green? After yellow green. Juliana, are you done with yellow green? We're going to be doing number 12.
Yeah.
And this
I did mixing yellow green, but we're good.
number 12, we're doing yellow lightly again. And then we're going to lightly mix orange onto it to make yellow orange. So it's more like faint and soft, and we're mixing the two color pencils together. So we can see both colors making it a yellow orange. It's not going to look perfect, but we're just trying to make an effort by overlapping the two. Try to stay within the guidelines, the segments. Sorry about the Wi-Fi cutting out. I have no control over that. Technology is a blessing and a curse. We just do the best we can. All right. I'm going to label that one. Number 12, yellow, orange. So that's that in-between hue. I'm going to take a screenshot of that. Do. Oh, good. Bear with me. I'll have this right here, but I'm working on the slideshow on the side. Sonia, are you just getting here? Yeah, she's having bad Wi-Fi. Well, I'm not the only one. How are we doing on this one? Are we almost done?
Yeah, I'm done.
I actually put the numbers wrong here in the order of what I'm doing. This is 12. All right, now we're going to move on to number 4. I'm trying to make it so you can see everything here. Let me zoom out a little bit. If you can't see something, please tell me. Okay, so number 4 is pretty self-explanatory. I bet you guys can figure it out. It is green, blue color. Green, blue. Yellow, green, yellow, orange. Okay, so that's number 4. So I'm going to lightly kind of outline this in green. We're not putting a lot of pressure. That helps us stay between the lines as best as we can, and then barely graze it with the green. Less pressure. And then we're going to mix it with the blue. Uh-oh, I lost the blue. Is that blue? I don't trust dark blue. Okay, I buy that. So I'm barely grazing the paper and I'm mixing the two hues together. Hue is another word for color. I'm going to be using that word a lot because it's an artsy word and it's my responsibility to give you that terminology. as a beginning art student to know all the ingredients and vocabulary. So we're working on tertiary colors here. Green, blue. Wow, that doesn't look the same color when I show it to you guys. It's like a shadow issue. But there's a better way I can do this. There it is. I don't know why I'm killing myself with these, but I think it's kind of funny. Robert, are you finished? John Kim, how are you doing?
Oh, I'm doing pretty well, Mrs. Brown.
Okay, so I'm not going too fast?
Yeah, you're not going too fast.
Oh, great, thank you. I'm gonna do number 10 next. So, John, what do you think we're gonna put for number 10? If this is orange and this one's red, what do you think I'm gonna write here? You're not listening? I just gave you the answers. Orange, red.
You should write orange and red.
Yeah. Now, what about this one? What do you think I'm going to label here? If this is red and this is purple.
Oh, red and purple?
Yes. So I'm going to label these right now, and then you guys can figure these out on your own. So you don't have to wait for me, and you know how to overlap now. Do you feel confident? This one is purple or violet and blue. Do you feel confident, John?
Mrs. Brown?
Yeah.
My mic is really laggy for some reason, so if I don't respond, that's
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks for letting me know. But does this make sense? It's easy peasy?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, everybody's having Wi-Fi problems today. It's kind of going around. So just remember you're lightly grazing the paper. Oops, I went outside the line. I was rushing. I'm trying to keep this nice and neat and orderly. We want to show that we care and that we are using craftsmanship. Accidents happen, and if you do it lightly, I think you can actually erase a color pencil. Let me try. Let me get my little eraser here. I don't know if it'll work. It erases a little bit. Yeah, not too bad. Good to know. And now I'm gonna get red. I'm gonna lightly graze it with the red. I appreciate any feedback because, again, this is my first time teaching it this way. I'm not used to teaching remotely color theory. Juliana, did you get my email?
I'll check right now.
Okay.
Sorry.
I put an announcement today. If anybody's interested in putting their artwork in the Buena Park City Hall art show, they need to contact me as soon as possible. Email me examples. You could put in more than one piece. And that's quite an honor. So show me. We had first place, one of the beginning students, Lillian Rios. So I don't see why beginners should not be, you guys should be allowed to turn in artwork too. Maybe you're doing artwork on the side. Maybe you're really into photography or digital design. They have many different categories. So I would love, love, love for you guys to contribute to that. Send me stuff and I'll take a look at it and give you feedback before the deadline. I need all that work before April 6th, not the 7th. I know we have a lot of artists in this class. Now I'm going to work on red, purple. So I lightly graze it with red. I always lose the purple and the blue. Red, violet. I will be asking for these next week. We're going to do a couple of slides all about color theory. Don't let your dog eat this. Put it in a safe place so that you don't have your little brother or sister messing it up. Photograph it. Have a fantastic day, y'all. We'll have more time to work on it. Bye, guys.
Bye, Ms. Brown. Have a nice weekend.
You too. Bye-bye.